Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Rahua shampoo is probably one of the most sought-after natural hair care products on the market, and for good reason. This luxurious shampoo is formulated with rare, Amazonian ingredients, promising a transformative cleansing experience that nourishes your scalp and revitalizes your strands without harsh chemicals. If you're looking to elevate your hair care routine with a product that's as effective as it is ethical, Rahua shampoo might just be the holy grail you've been searching for, delivering salon-quality results with the power of nature. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree Point 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree Point 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. It's designed to repair and protect your hair from damage and breakage. This powerful formula works to repair existing damage, making your hair stronger from within. It also helps defend against future breakage, keeping your locks healthy. Experience intense hydration as it replenishes moisture in your hair. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to soft, manageable strands. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this shampoo is perfect for you. It provides the care and nourishment every hair type deserves. Transform your hair with the unique benefits of Olaplex. Achieve stronger, healthier, and more hydrated hair with every wash. What we like. This shampoo is designed to repair existing damage and prevent future breakage. It replenishes hydration for all hair types. If your hair is frequently exposed to heat styling or chemical treatments, this is the perfect choice for restoring its strength and health. What people say. This shampoo is made with natural ingredients and is free of harsh chemicals, making it a healthier choice for your hair. It effectively cleanses the hair and scalp without stripping natural oils, leaving hair feeling soft and manageable. The shampoo has a pleasant, subtle scent derived from natural essential oils. Number 4. Wow Skin Science ACD Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. Discover the power of nature with Wow Skin Science. This duo is designed to give your hair the ultimate cleanse and deep conditioning it deserves. Our apple cider vinegar shampoo gently clarifies your scalp, removing buildup and impurities. It helps to restore your hair's natural pH balance for a healthier look and feel. Follow up with our nourishing conditioner, enriched with coconut and avocado oils. It deeply moisturizes and softens your strands, leaving them smooth and manageable. This powerful combination is suitable for all hair types. Experience the benefits of a revitalized scalp and beautifully conditioned hair. Achieve visibly shinier and stronger hair with regular use. It's the perfect solution for a healthy, vibrant mane. Transform your hair care routine with this incredible duo. Get ready to embrace healthier, more beautiful hair starting today. What we like. This duo offers a clarifying cleanse with apple cider vinegar and deep conditioning with coconut and avocado oils. It's ideal for those seeking a natural approach to hair care that removes buildup and enhances shine. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective way to refresh your hair and scalp, this is a great option. What people say. This shampoo is a game changer for my hair, leaving it incredibly soft and manageable. I love how Rahua shampoo lathers well and rinses clean, without stripping my hair of its natural oils. The natural ingredients in this shampoo are a huge plus, making it a healthier choice for my hair and scalp. Number 3. Pureology Hydrate Shampoo. Introducing Pureology Hydrate Shampoo, specially formulated for dry or color-treated hair. Experience intense moisture and incredible softness with every wash. This luxurious shampoo deeply hydrates your strands, combating dryness and leaving your hair feeling revitalized. It's the perfect solution for thirsty locks. Protect and nourish your color-treated hair with our gentle formula. It cleanses effectively without stripping essential moisture, keeping your color vibrant. Enriched with the natural goodness of rose extract and green tea, it provides antioxidant benefits and a soothing experience. Enjoy healthier-looking hair. We believe in conscious beauty. That's why our shampoo is proudly vegan and sulfate-free, ensuring a clean and gentle cleanse for your hair and scalp. Discover the secret to incredibly soft, touchable hair. This shampoo works to restore suppleness and manageability, making styling a breeze. What we like. This shampoo provides intense moisture for dry or color-treated hair, leaving it soft and hydrated. Its formula is vegan and free from harsh sulfates. If your hair is prone to dryness, or if you want to maintain the vibrancy of your color-treated locks, this is an excellent choice for daily nourishment. What people say. This shampoo is made with natural ingredients and is free of harsh chemicals, making it a healthier choice for your hair and scalp. It effectively cleanses the hair without stripping natural oils, leaving it feeling soft, manageable, and looking healthier. The shampoo has a pleasant, natural scent that is not overpowering and adds to the overall enjoyable experience of using the product. Number 2. Dr. Berg Biotin Shampoo. Discover the improved high-performance formula of our Biotin shampoo. It's designed for both men and women, offering a powerful yet gentle cleansing experience. Rest assured, this shampoo is independently tested and certified free from parabens, sulfates, and silicones. We prioritize your hair's health with a clean formula. Experience the nourishing benefits of key ingredients. It's infused with biotin, argan oil, and a blend of beneficial botanicals to enhance your hair. This formula works to promote healthier and stronger hair with every wash. Achieve a revitalized look and feel. Each bottle contains 8 fluid ounces of our premium shampoo. It's the perfect size to incorporate into your regular hair care routine. What we like. Formulated with biotin, argan oil, and botanicals, this shampoo is designed for both men and women. It's free from parabens, sulfates, and silicones, and is independently tested for performance. If you're looking for a high-performance shampoo to support hair health and growth, especially if you prefer clean ingredients, this is a solid contender. What people say. This shampoo has a great lather and a pleasant, natural scent. It leaves my hair feeling clean and soft without stripping it. The ingredients are natural and plant-based, which is a big plus. Number 1. Rahua Classic Shampoo. Introducing Rahua Classic Shampoo, a restorative hair care solution designed for everyone. It's perfect for all hair types, providing gentle cleansing and promoting scalp health. This organic shampoo is crafted with powerful, natural ingredients. It works to restore your hair's natural vitality and strength with every wash. Experience the nourishing benefits of infused oil, Palo Santo, coconut oil, and quinoa. These elements work together to cleanse and revitalize your hair and scalp. Whether your hair is fine, thick, oily, or dry, this shampoo is formulated to suit your needs. It provides effective care without stripping essential moisture. Focusing on scalp health is key to beautiful hair. This formula helps to cleanse and balance your scalp, creating the ideal environment for hair growth. Enjoy a thorough yet gentle cleanse that removes impurities without harsh chemicals. It leaves your hair feeling refreshed and looking its best. What we like. This shampoo offers restorative care for all hair types, focusing on cleansing and scalp health with organic ingredients like Palo Santo and quinoa. It's perfect for those who prioritize natural, organic formulations and want to improve their overall hair and scalp condition. If you appreciate luxurious, plant-based ingredients and a gentle yet effective cleanse, this is the one for you. What people say. This shampoo is made with natural ingredients and is free of harsh chemicals, making it a great choice for those with sensitive scalps. It effectively cleanses the hair without stripping natural oils, leaving it feeling soft and manageable. The shampoo has a pleasant, subtle scent that is not overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.